In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix network icon missing from Taskbar on Windows 10 PC. So to fix this issue, right click on Taskbar, then click on Taskbar Settings. And I scroll down and click on this option, Turn System Icons On or Off. And you find out Network. So turn on this network icon option. Now click on this back arrow and click on select which icons appear on the taskbar. You will see network option, so turn on network option. That's it. So using by these simple steps, you can fix network icon missing on taskbar. As we can see now, network Wi-Fi icon is appear. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.